So, if you are like me and you use OBS Studio, what I'm going to show you is that if you have this screen, I know mine's going to look way different. I have a vertical screen. You're not even seeing the entire OBS because of the vertical screen, but here's what you can do. Find your controls, stop streaming, start streaming, all that, stop recording, all these, where you can get to your settings. And I want you to go to this right here, studio mode. And what this does is if you hit studio mode, boom, now all of a sudden you see all this stuff. I'm still streaming this canvas to you where you see right here, you see my OBS. Now I can scroll down in my scenes and I can click on one of those scenes and look, it pops up on the left over here. I can edit that scene in here. If you were to do this without clicking studio mode, you would simply just go to that scene and then you would be seeing this scene behind me. Hello. That camera. But instead of that, now I can actually edit this scene. So this is what I do when you guys are watching, like sometimes when I'm off the bed and you guys are watching me just sleeping, sometimes I'm over here editing scenes and I'm making things run better and I'm changing sound levels and that kind of stuff. And you can do this right in studio mode. There is a studio mode, I believe it's in the top left-hand corner somewhere, which does the exact same thing. It allows you to be streaming one thing. If you happen to be on a subathon or you just need to change something midstream for some reason, you have to know about this. Otherwise, you cannot edit scenes until you go to them. This is how you could literally make a brand new scene right now. And it'll just be called delete this. And I can go, okay. And I can go, okay, let me put this text. Hello world, this is a scene that didn't exist. And then I can click this and hit Control F to fit to screen. Let's turn off studio mode and let's go down to that scene again. Delete this, ready? That is now a scene that didn't exist before. And that's how I can add things like my clock that you see and the other stuff to that scene before you ever see it. I can put my camera on it, I can make it look all good, and I can go, okay, now we're ready to go to it. Kind of badass. That's what being a producer while you're being a streamer, that's how that looks. Kind of nifty. And now I can actually go into it if I'm in studio mode, go to delete this, right click, go to remove, yes, and it's gone. Gone forever, so you can work on all your stuff. There's a fun little tip.